Alright, so we're going to do discs and pads here. We'll take the caliper off first. We've got 2 bolts here. That'll release the caliper, 12mm. But while it's on there, I'm going to jam a screwdriver in there just to push the piston in on the caliper. Or you can use a wind back tool, personal choice. So, that's that in. Slides are all good, so we're just 12mm. Take them out. You leave the bottom one in until you crack it off. There are 2 bolts, and then the caliper should just release. So that's that done. I've got a couple of bolts here for the carrier. 15mm. So that's that there. To support the carrier, the caliper, you're not falling off. So this should just fall off. All going well. So we're going to clean all this up. It's a bit yucky in there. Just get the wire brush, clean all that up. And in the carrier as well, usual spots, just pull out. So remove all the hardware, the kind of shims, the metal shims. We'll clean all them up nice and shiny again. And wire brush in there just to make it nice and clear. So I'll go and do that, and then we'll come back. That's us, we're all cleaned up. Let's build it all back up together. We've got the discs here, discs and pads, and all the slides are moving, greased them up, and we've cleaned that up as well, the hub. So it's just opposite. There's no screws holding the disc on, so this first, in the carrier. one. So we'll get the bar on there, make sure they're super tight. One. Well, that's us there. Just the pads now. Just a wee bit of grease at the contact points. And just push them in and turn them round. And they should just slot in nicely. So just slot them in there and turn the pad round and they should slot in nicely. Well, that's us there. You should put the caliper on now. Right up, it was getting in the way. Just make sure there's no kinks in your hose, nice smooth. So we're almost there. 2 wee bolts. Good nip up in them. So that's us, we've done the other side now. Just put the wheel on and give a wee road test. Make sure everything's alright. Thanks. So we're done doing the brakes. There's one last thing to do, and that's to pump the pedal. So you need to pump that till it goes hard. Just like that. And that's you. Should be good to go.